birth. We may have a hiccup. We may have a breech birth. Can you show me how to have a breech birth delivery? And sure enough, it walked me through that whole process from beginning to end. I said, okay, let's do something a little bit more extensive. I said, let's talk about having a cleft lip. A cleft lip. I said, how can we make a repair? Sure enough, I went through all of the details as far as what I needed, the scapula numbers, what company to get the scapula from. I said, okay, you gave me some good details. I think I can do the surgery, but I said, let's be a little bit more specific. I said, teach me specifically how to make the incisions, where to make the incisions, the angles. It told me it was 45-degree angle with scapula number 15. And then I said, well, after we do that, we got to suture. So teach me how to suture. What thread, gauge of threading do I need for sutures? Which type of needling hook do I need? It told me everything I needed to know. So the point that I'm illustrating here is to show you that with just simple research and the adequate tools, and I did another research and said, hey, tell me where can I buy these tools, equipment, and medication? It told me where to buy it. So no, I'm not performing any kind of medical procedures here in my home, but I got the information on how to do it. You got access to the same information if you know how to find it. So my point here is explaining that specific schooling for specific skill sets are necessary, but we don't need all the extra fluff. All right, guys, I'm Dr. Sean J. Harris. Make impact, make money while you're doing it. And check out the information that I'm going to insert in this video.
Check out the findings that I had. I put in how to perform a root canal. And now it said it's for educational purposes, entertainment purposes, pretty much. But look here, root canal shows what to do, how to access the opening, how to assess the patient, cleaning and shaping, disinfecting, filling, restoration, equipment needed. Then we're going to go here, and I said, well, ask if I want to do it on myself first. So I said, be a little bit more specific. So again, now it's telling me the dosages. It's giving me specifics as it pertains to x-rays. It's telling me how much of each drug to administer, what gauge needles to use. Let's see, it's talking about different clamps, the number sizes for the clamps. You see here, it's talking about high-speed dental drills, giving me the specific drill to use and the number of round tip to use. And it's also telling me the RPMs. Come on, check this out. Then we're going to go here. It's going to teach me how to shape. It's going to teach me how to irrigate, how to disinfect, how to dry, filling. It even tells me how to seal back up the hole. Come on, this stuff is absolutely amazing. Look, didn't have to go to college for this either. All right, it's talking about K files, H files.